me for Karwa Chauth. Today my husband will be helping me get ready. For chura, I have two options. I low-key think this is gonna match better.
I like this one too.
This one matches the red perfectly. Shout out to my mother-in-law for sending me these. Actually got these two custom made for me while she was in India. I'm just gonna put it on like that and then he's gonna cut the strings. Oh, that's so pretty. Is it too much?
It's cute.
Now let's pick out a bindi.
I think a white one would go really nice though.
I mean,
this is what she wants.
yeah, have never seen white bindi. It's too big. We can either do this blood red or this deeper red.
I like the blood one. Wow.
I was gonna go with this one, but he likes this one on me. Why are you being so shy? You're making me shy. You can barely even see it. I wanted like the tiniest Mangalsutra ever. It's cute, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I look like a married woman.
You are.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर का कीमत तुम क्या जानो. This is the final look. What do we think? What do you think?
I think it's cute.